Paper Vietnam is a premier platform bringing together global leaders, innovators, and professionals from across the paper, pulp, and packaging sectors. This event serves as a dynamic hub for showcasing cutting-edge technologies, sustainable materials, and modern production solutions that are shaping the future of the industry.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
With a strong focus on green innovation, recycling, and energy efficiency, the exhibition creates valuable opportunities for networking, business collaboration, and knowledge exchange. Participants can explore the latest advancements in machinery, raw materials, and process optimization while discovering new market trends and investment prospects within Vietnam's rapidly growing paper and pulp industry. This event is not just an exhibition, it's a gateway to the next era of sustainable industrial development and international cooperation. Paper Vietnam is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.